Hello guys, welcome back to VC Tech. In today's video, we are going to talk about EtherChannel, one of the most powerful features in Cisco switches. Have you ever wondered how to increase bandwidth and add redundancy without complex configurations? Well, that's exactly what EtherChannel does. Today, we will see how it works and why it is so important. And also, we'll be seeing the two main protocols, which includes PAgP and LACP. However, for this tutorial, we'll be talking about PAgP, while in the next, we'll be talking about LACP. So stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you will understand how to combine multiple physical links into one logical connection for a faster and more reliable network. So with that being said, guys, what is EtherChannel? EtherChannel allows multiple Ethernet links to be combined into one logical link. It increases bandwidth, it provides redundancy, and also enhances network performance. Cisco supports EtherChannel through PAgP, as PAgP is a Cisco proprietary. Now, why is EtherChannel so important? It is important because it increases bandwidth by combining links, as it provides redundancy. If one link should fail, the other link remains active. It also simplifies configuration and management, as it balances network load across the link. PAgP simply means Port Aggregation Protocol, and as I said, it is a Cisco proprietary protocol that uses the modes of ortho and desirable. You can also use desirable, but you cannot use ortho. So with that being said, guys, let's head over and see how we can configure this on a Cisco environment. So for this tutorial, we are going to be using two switches and 6 computers. Now, in case you're wondering, this is the physical link, the EtherChannel physical link. All these connections here are the physical link. Usually, we always use just one link, but for this tutorial, we are going to be using 3 because we want to combine all these links to serve as one channel for this tutorial. Now, with that being said, guys, let's head over and start our configuration for EtherChannel PAgP. So how do we do that? Let's go into the switch and say enable configuration terminal. Now we want to, since we have port 1 to 3, we want to do this in. So we want to say interface range FA0/1 to 3. These are the ports that we are using for EtherChannel from 1 to 3. So we want to configure these ports to serve as just one port. We want to put them in one channel group. So what we're going to do now is we say channel group. We want to be grouping the 3 ports into one. So we say channel group and we want to say 1. And this is where the mode comes into play. As you can see, we have active, auto, desirable, on, and passive. However, for PAgP, we only use ortho and desirable, which is just these two. So for this one, we are going to be using ortho. So by doing this, we've combined the interface from 1 to 3 to serve as one channel group. So let's go back. Remember, we always need to trunk the port that is connected to a switch. Any port that is connected to a switch, from a switch to a switch, we are supposed to trunk that port. So we've linked the FA0/1 to FA0/2 to serve as one channel group. Now let's also trunk that channel group that we've created. How do we do that? We say interface group, we say interface port port channel 1, since we gave it 1 here, port channel 1, we want to see switch port mode to be trunk. Now the configuration we just did is on this switch, the interface from FA0/1 to FA0/2, they now serve as one channel group. It's no more 3, they are now serving as 1. So we've done the configuration here. Let's also do the same configuration here. So this other switch is going to be having those Ethernet configuration terminal. So this other switch will be having those physical link, the 3 physical links that is connected to it, to serve as just one channel group. So how do we do that? We do the same configuration that we just did for the previous switch. Interface range FA0/1 to 3, since they are using the same. So for this, it's 1 to 3, as the PCs takes from 4 to 6. So 1 to 3, and we want to say channel group. We want to link interface FA0/1 to 3 to serve as one group. So channel group 1, and the mode, remember the mode on the previous switch that we configured, we gave that one to be auto. However, for this one, we want to give this one desirable, because we cannot have auto. However, we can have desirable, but we cannot have auto. So for this channel group, we want to be using desirable. Now we've configured all the 3 interfaces on this switch to serve as one channel group. Let's also trunk the port so it could carry out traffic from the second switch to the first switch. So we do that by saying interface port channel, and we want to say 1. Then we also want to say switch port mode to be trunk. By doing this, guys, we've configured EtherChannel PAgP on a Cisco switch. Previously, if you watch closely, you would see that before it was just one link that was rightly connected. It was just that link that was showing the green sign. The other links were showing the orange sign, while on this link they were all showing green. So regardless what this link is saying, if it's not properly connected here, then it means it's just one link that will be working. However, now since we've configured EtherChannel PAgP on the both switches, the both switch can now carry out traffic, and the 3 links that you're seeing here will be serving as one logical link. So we can simply say EtherChannel is a technology in a Cisco switch that allows you to combine multiple physical link, which is all this stuff are considered as a physical link, because these are cables that connect the both switches together, that combines multiple physical links between 2 or more switches to serve as one logical link. So instead of using just one cable to carry out all the traffic, we can use 2 or more cables together, and the switch will treat them as a single connection. So from the configuration that we just did here, on this switch, that we said the channel group, we first of all we said interface range 1 to 3. So it means whatever configuration that we are doing on interface range 1 to 3, they are going to be serving as 1. So we use EtherChannel to link those 3 links together, making them one link, by saying channel group 1, making the mode here to be auto, as we have here, channel group 1, and the mode is auto. So after we've done the channel grouping of interface 1 to 3, we came down here and we said interface port channel 1. Remember, this is channel 1, and we said port channel 1, then we trunk all the interfaces on that Ether channel, making them to serve as 1. Now think of it like this. Imagine you have 3 small roads that is connecting to 2 cities. So normally the car will serve as the data, and they can only use one road. That's like using one Ethernet link. EtherChannel combines all 3 roads into one superhighway, making more cars to move at once. And if one road or if one lane should be closed, traffic still flows through the other roads. So that is how EtherChannel works. If one of these links here should go down, since we have 3 links that is now being connected or being channeled to be 1, if one of the links should go down, the other 2 links still functions. This is how EtherChannel works. Now, in summary to this, EtherChannel improves the speed, reliability, and efficiency in modern network by grouping interfaces. It provides fault tolerance and load balancing, and it's a must-know concept for network administrator and Cisco engineers. So with that being said, guys, I hope to see you in the next video where I will be talking about LACP, and please like and subscribe if this video helps you to understand what EtherChannel means and how the configuration is done from combining 3 physical links into one EtherChannel. Thank you guys, and see you in the next video.